Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Robert and I'm back again with another review this year. Actually, it's been a while since I posted anything. I know some of you have forgotten about me, and it's your boy Robert once again, and this is your #1 channel on YouTube on all the tutorials about the current trending tech and also how to make money. Okay, I remember telling you guys how to make money online, and I gave you a couple of sites to use. And today I'm here with another site. I mean, this one of the sites that I told you guys. It's called Rewardingways. So as you can see, this is my site, my Rewardingways channel account, and I've currently made 2.77 dollars, as you can see, and 0.70 points so far. And the total cash that I've made so far, that I've withdrawn so far, is $3.55, and I have 6 referrals there. I have not earned anything on the referrals because you guys have refused to follow through this referral channel. Okay, make sure you click on that referral link down on the description to continue making money using this site. Okay, so let me refresh it so that you can see it is really legit. It is not something that I am cooking there. And if we look at the completed offers, for this year 2022 are about 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 offers, and the points are there as follows. I've made the first one was 59 points and followed by $0.05 as it goes. So today I'm going to withdraw this money and show you guys that it really pays and it is legit, and this money can be withdrawn to your account. I'm going to use my PayPal account on this session. When I log into my PayPal account, you'll see that my PayPal account is currently $00. I've not yet sent any money on my account so far. So let's be patient and let it load just a little bit. There we are. As you can see, I have $00, and the previous transactions are here. I previously received money from the Rewardingways. They're called the 99 Ventures. I have a couple of them, 99 Ventures. Let us see if these 99 Ventures are really Rewardingways. So as you can see there, congratulations on earning another payment from Rewardingways.com. Yeah, $1.03. It is really legit. So today I'm going to withdraw the cash so that you can see my account numbers changing from 00 to the money that I'm withdrawing there. So let's withdraw cash. And you can withdraw a minimum of $1. It is very easy to withdraw it. And for your information, before I continue on the withdrawal, I told you guys that I'm going to tell you the secrets on making a lot of receiving a lot of the surveys to tackle. So you have to always clear your cache. You clear your cache and your history of your internet on your internet browser, so that it can delete all the information that was linked on the channel before. Then you'll get other surveys. So let's withdraw this money through PayPal. That is withdraw 2.77, and they are charging $0.20. Okay, I've clicked the withdraw button, and it's telling us that withdrawal successful. So we are going to confirm with my account here if I still have the money on this Rewardingways account, or or the money has been transferred. As you can see, I have currently 0, 0. So meaning the money has already been sent to my PayPal account. So let's check my PayPal account and see if the money has been deposited yet. So guys, after a couple of minutes, it took like 20 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes, and the money was credited on my PayPal account, as you can see. So this money is from 99 Ventures Limited, and 99 Ventures Limited are these guys, the Rewardingways. So guys, these guys are really paying, as you can see there. Congratulations on earning another payment from Rewardingways. Yeah, that is $2.71. They cut off 0.05 cents from my account for the transaction to my PayPal account. So yeah, these guys are really paying. So when your money is on PayPal, you can move it anywhere. As a Kenyan, I can personally move it to my mobile phone, direct to my M-Pesa account. So depending on your country, you guys can move the money wherever and whenever you want. If you want to pay utility bills using the money, it's up to you. So thank you guys for watching, and it's been a pleasure sharing with you guys. And remember, don't forget to clear the caches if you want to get a lot of surveys from this Rewardingways site. Once again, it's your boy Robert, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you're a new viewer on this channel. Cheers, peace out.